The eyeball can be considered to be like a camera. We have a lens at the front and a film at the back. Now that lens in the front of the eye is crystal clear at birth. However, as we get older, the lens ages and eventually starts to become cloudy. And the name we give to that cloudy lens is a cataract. The most common symptom of cataracts is that the patient can't see as well as before. They will complain that the vision has become a bit more blurred, and then they're examined either by the optician or the ophthalmologist, and that's an easy diagnosis to make. However, it can present in more subtle ways. So people may complain of increased glare when they're driving. They might find it more difficult to see things in dimmer light. There is only one treatment option for visually significant cataracts, and that is surgical. That means that the patient will need to undergo surgery where their cataract is removed and a lens implant is placed in the eye. That lens implant will then last them for the rest of their lives. We'll do a full eye examination, and that involves not just examination of the cataract, but we'll check for things such as glaucoma. We'll look at the retina. Every patient has a retinal scan called an OCT, which can pick up on other diseases which may be present, such as macular degeneration. We also will arrange for the patient to undergo something called biometry, where we use the latest technology to measure the eye very accurately, which allows us to calculate the lens, which will give them the best possible outcome. Cataract surgery in experienced hands is extremely safe, very quick, and is pain-free. Typically, in experienced hands, the operation will not take longer than about 10 minutes or so. Recovery after modern cataract surgery is extremely fast. The majority of our patients would often notice a significant difference in their vision within the first couple of days, but we usually say it takes 2 to 4 weeks for the eye to settle down completely, and it's at that stage when we often will perform the second eye surgery. Luckily, complications after modern cataract surgery are extremely rare. Serious complications, that is, sight-threatening complications, are incredibly rare. We're talking about less than 1 in 1,000 chance of visual loss from infection in the eye or bleeding in the eye. Small number of patients may have some degree of inflammation in the eye or raised pressure in the eye, or sometimes they may suffer from a slightly cloudy cornea. These complications are much easier to treat and are usually self-limiting, so don't normally cause any significant loss of vision. In some patients after cataract surgery, there is the tendency for scar tissue to form behind the lens. This is called posterior capsular opacification. Although this is not really a complication of cataract surgery, it just is something that happens in a minority of patients. This can be easily treated with a laser treatment called YAG laser capsulotomy.